A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, so tonight, I'm going to go on a part 2 segment because enough I want to get to say our ear when Lorna did call and clear the ear. So, fair enough, I see the comments them, and I see enough I want to like on her bash her. I say, oh, she fit this and she fit that. But she call in, and I rate her. She never did have to come publicly, come talk. See? Whatever I want to think about her and her situation, I'm going to leave it in the comment. Should Lana continue this relationship or should she leave it alone as it is? But may I make she talk and may I make 2 callers state them opinion. If you don't miss the show last night, this is the recap. Big up on yourself. Look here, what she say. Sure. Yeah. I don't know if you want to come on and have something to say, yeah, make it stay out. Alright.
I don't have anything to hide.
Alright. I love that. I must commend you for come out and talk and well, I don't know. A part of me kind of feel hurt because, you know, me have a little, I don't meet you, but me talk on the phone and I remember the first time when you tell me about this relationship and you say, you know, you learn from the show and you go try. Test this person and any red flag you see. I remember enough time you used to call me and say, dear man, you know, same saying want money for this, you want. You get remember? I mean I say, yo, yeah. Ray, I say, Ray, and you say, yeah, put him on a test and but what really like make me feel like we know, I me know your plan for your wedding and all of them things and now this, when I ask you, when I did meet him, this was an ongoing thing in the background or this just pop up like 2 months, 3 months now when she find out say you guys are gonna get married or what? May I try understand where they
okay, so I never know anything about this lady. I never hear it's been since 2022. Right? I've never heard anything about, he told me about other people, but he have never mentioned her. All right?
Yeah.
So I went to Jamaica, as you know, and everything. I came back, I think in September or whatever. I got a phone call. I came home just as I'm sitting around my dining table. My daughter was in the living room. And certain things I don't like to talk in front of my daughter.
Yeah.
You understand? But I got this phone call and I see the Jamaican number, so I assume it was one of my family, even though there was no name. And this person asked me, is this so and so? And I said, who are you? What is this about? And she said, you know, say me and so they're from 2018. And I start to laugh. I laugh like, I mean, like you ever hear something and it's like, you know, you never hear it's like I was just laughing and then I sat there and I started to listen to her, same as how she relate to you. And so she started to talk all about what she do for him, and whatever. I listen to her. Carefully, listen to me very carefully. I listened to her. There's a lady that I know in Jamaica that she knows as well. I add the lady to the call. I had one of my cousins in Florida to the call, and everybody was on the call back and forth, right? Eventually, everybody left. That woman called me 8 o'clock, and at 4 o'clock, I come off of the phone in the morning with her. Listen to her respectfully. I've never disrespected her because I am a woman. I'm a tell her me Dina it too. My pitney father left me with my 1-year-old baby and go married to another woman. So I know what it feels like.
All right, question before you go on. When on the on the phone, what she did I do? Vent to you about the guy?
All she talking about him. Okay. She said, let me tell her what her problem is with me right now, and I can tell you. And she better be here and listen to this. Her problem is because she come to me that she said from down in her last year, him not treat her like how he used to treat her. The relationship, him not sleep with her, him not call her no more, him not communicate with her no more, and all kind of stuff. So she said she know there was somebody because he's not dealing with her. Like him left the relationship without telling her that the relationship finished. That kind of way there. Understand? Okay. She now, listen to me, she ever said me mash up her life. She said there was a woman that he was going to marry to in wherever Linstead, and she mash it up. You know what she problem she have with me, D? Because I did. She said to myself, one other woman where he was trying to be with, when because she's like an investigator, she will find anybody. That's all. She lucky said she have time to go and walk and find a woman I look for. I am not doing that. So what she do, she get in touch with somebody. I know me the first woman she get in touch with. And that woman walk away. She said to me, why don't you just walk away like so and so and so and whatever. That's the problem that she have with me right now. I delete her from my WhatsApp and I block her. She cannot find me. She go on Facebook and she came on my YouTube page to plaster me and she pretend like it's somebody else. That's what she been doing. She is sick. She's a Jezebel and she said she baptized just 3 weeks ago. And this is somebody put in the comment, oh, you can be in church and having sex. Yes, that's the same thing I asked her the night. I asked her the night, I said, oh, can you guys be fully in a church and not sleep together? And the thing is, she don't realize that I went to Jamaica and I didn't sleep with this guy.
No, she say your name lock up at Airbnb and I want to do anything.
That is what she think. I am not, I was on my whatever that me never could have done nothing with no man either. And I am not like that because the man never give me his physical. You understand what I'm saying? This woman is very dirty. This woman is, let me tell you how she nasty and stay. Because since she want to pull me out, this woman send me one cream on my WhatsApp before me even block her and say, look, this is the cream that I have to use to put on my private part tonight because your fiance gave me herpes. When me look up the cream, no herpes cream. I called him and I said to him, listen, the woman say, the man go do medical. The man go pay how much dollar for do medical. The man have no sickness. The woman is vindictive. How could I say that I have a sickness? How could I say that I have a sickness when I don't? You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't know what you should have asked her what it is that she wants from. She can't get in touch with me anymore. She tries to find out everywhere. Listen to me. Let me tell you something, Damian. Women and men are being abused. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you about me. My daughter father, me meet him. Just like she said she don't meet that guy that we meet him with 2 brief. Me raise him pitney from him at the pitney at 2 years old till the pitney at 12 years old, 10 years. Me still give him one pitney same way. Me buy one car when him have a drive when me never used to have to drive. When him drive up and down, go look for him and them. Wherever me tell you the island where me used to them. I've been through that shit. I've never gone to find any of that guy's woman them.
But you know, I think if she tell lie say him have that, what may I try say? Take for instance, so what should I do with a vaginal cream where like that means that she gets something?
That's not what it's for. I look up the cream and that's not what this is for.
What is
the thing is this? No, she said to me, that is the reason why she wanted to be with him because she didn't give her that she can't go there with nobody else. She wants she and him to be together. But me said to her, say, lady, if one man give me sickness, me I run left them, me now want to settle down with
so
them.
Where the cream for? Where the cream for overall? Wait for?
I don't remember what it is for, but it's not for that. Because I remember I'm in healthcare. The day when she even sent it to me, I was at work and I showed it to my other co-worker. It's not for that.
Oh, okay. But maybe she try tell her that now for put you off for yourself. Jesus God,
yes, that's all she been doing.
So she defend the man then basically. She want back the man.
But that's fine. Because the man tell his pastor, we were on even the pastor got involved.
Oh, you know him? Oh, you meet the man, Marina? I have to ask you some question on my viewers.
I was introduced to him.
Oh, online or in person?
No, it's with somebody that we both know.
And what year you introduced him? 2020, 2022?
2022.
So that means the lady said she talked to him from 2018. So that means saying did involved with she, and as what you said, you never know about she when you animal talk, right? So that means saying he hide it as a secret from you. If you think about it, the whole thing, he hide it as a secret for your car. Him not rate her, him not go on there with her. Remember just talk his shit. He just have her as a woman where give him things and can help out in situation and then give her some little loving. So him not look for the long term. So what happen now, you come along now and him see you and he say, you know, say, the woman that look good and me like her and she a foreigner, but just if she serious, would have married her and come up with her and live with her. That's what me see happen. That's what me get what happen. But she, you know, in her head, she did have it say she and him are gonna have a long-term relationship, cause she meet him in her church and etc. etc. That's what me get from it. So now that she learn about you now, at that time they know everything it a hurt up her head. And it a hurt her feelings. So at this now she reach out and come. Cause after be so the story going on. Cause she find out about you after. But him never honest with you from day one.
No, but the thing is,
So you did hold on, one more. You did tell him say he need to choose between she and you?
How could I tell him? How could I tell him that?
That's what
she said?
Yeah, she said you tell him say he need to choose either she or him, and he said she said him have to choose you can want to go foreign and you know the way woman do film. You know the half hour the no that she said in the video. She said you know the half hour the older woman do. For him. So in other words, you know do no I call him she would have help him to get work, help him to, achieve car and whatever according to she, help him to get nothing. As in, or you not help him to the level where she would have helped him. That's the way she say himself, but he might choose you. And he feel a way. Listen about the interview. I can't send the raw version.
Listen, but what I heard what you are saying, and I will listen to it because I don't have a problem. The thing is, you know what? I probably cannot get in touch with me anymore from my deletes and block her. I heard how she's styling me, Me listen to a part of it, when me a drive a couple and I hear how she's styling me, The same one me call me on phone, and I'm going like, that's why I say, you see, I'm very careful of these females because some of them females are terrible. You understand what I'm saying? I've never called anybody that was with my ex and dip on phone with them ever. I would not have done it. I could have disrespected her when she called me on the phone and run her off with my phone. But I listened to her for how many hours? From 8 o'clock in the night to 4 a.m. in the morning. She never tell her part there.
No, she said no. What happened? She said there's a whole lot, but she can't talk everything now. So yes, your answer just give me 20 minutes time. I hear what you say. Because when she mentioned the name, I said, I want to hear what going on, because I put you out. Because I know you give me a heads up about this situation, but maybe I go 1 year now. So I kind of did curious to hear what really are going on. So if any red flags they did that way, you don't know, you could have picked up and hear. So for when me hear she say, Ray, I say, I want to hear what going on. Because I know, that's why I say I contact her even before me drop the story. Because I say, yo, Ray. So.
No, but she told her, I talked to her pastor today, and the pastor said, but wait, she took right on her fellowship 3 weeks ago in church. I saw it. I watched it. She took right on the fellowship in church, and the pastor said, but she talked to her and she said she's done with that and whatever. You understand what I'm saying? So she putting up a face in front of the people them, but deep down inside. But then again, my thing now is she said she classed the man and said a lot of stuff about him. And that is what pushed her, because he told me he was going to marry her. He told me and him reason that he said he was going to marry her. But she started to disrespect him. She started to put him down. He said, but she admitted. She started to put him down and make him feel small all around her friends them. He said she's not in his class. She said that out of her mouth. She said her mouth stink. I never smelled him. She said him stink. And when he told the pastor that on the phone with her, she said, but your mouth stink. Just as though she speak. She said, she repeated herself and laughed about it. So it's just like a woman is not, me not say me had take up for him because I give it to him. I'm not siding for him. You understand? But just as how we females don't want to be mistreated, we can't want to mistreat one person's son, brother, because we do something for them either. We can't do that. You cannot get up and say, you give somebody some food every time she feed him. She did so much. Yes, as I understand, he was down on his face. Yes, he was down in a situation.
But
she
said
she down and whatever.
But as she bill him, she said she bill him and the whole family know, everybody know. So if you bill a man and he might go mistreat you.
I talked to one of his sister today in Mandeville and she never know anything about her.
If he not gonna make everybody know about her, because remember so she old her, so I keep that on, rub that on her carpet.
Well, what I'm saying, that is not even my problem. My thing is what problem she have with me all of a sudden. It's because she can't get me on my phone. Why is it? Because I delete her and block her from my WhatsApp. All of a sudden, she have an issue with me.
To me, the problem with the woman you have, you come take with her man. That I just plain and straight.
How could I take with her man when time she said the man did already have married to one woman from where and she go in and stop it?
That's why she try to stop this because she love this man.
So that's what she did. So that is what she decided to do. But that man, listen to me, Damien, I walk away today, that man don't want her. I'm gonna ask you, you're gonna find somebody else. So me walk away today, yes, fine, I don't have a problem. But she not gonna want him.
When I say walk away, what do you mean?
Forget everything because me can't take drama and stupidness. And me and this guy been okay. She just nitpicking all the time. But what I'm saying, it's okay for me to walk away. But at the end of the day, the man is not gonna go back to her.
But Marina, you can't swear for man. That they say you go wrong. Or if you depend on phone, you swear for man. You're there foreign and you go swear for a man at Jamaica. Seriously?
Right.
What you mean the man not go back? You know your woman say man still call her for pum pum. If the woman did there for 4 years. Listen, if the according to the add-ins and the maths, the man are there 4 years before you. The woman you listen about the woman say when you come and gone, you want come here and want pum pum and she said no, she not give nothing. More you listen about the thing. So you can't there and say yes, him now go back to she. If you left a man alright, if you call it off for the man, you know business who you go back to. Him can't tell us say now go back to she, because I tell you that. But you can't swear for no man. Not up on the phone and swear for no man. I go call you.
No, Miss Jacinthe Murray, I will not say what job the lady do. I will not do that.
No man, listen, no understand, no reply to nobody in a comment.
Just as though she have been on blast, I would not do that to her. I will not do that. I will not call anybody name. No. I will not do that. I will not go and expose nobody. Yeah. You see that video that I put up about the 5 months married, it was one of my family member. I'm going to call nobody name, I'm going to call people name and expose people. I don't want, and my plan is not to disgrace people and embarrass people. I'm not about that. So I will not call what job she does and whatever she does.
But Lana, I don't want you to pay attention to the comments. I mean, I talk. Comment, I go right what they want. Me, are the host. I mean, I talk. I ask a question, then you don't need to reply to it. And everybody I go comment something good where you like. So if you forget reply to everybody, you're going to get paranoid. Loud that one. See? So she come out and they clear the air and whatever upon some things. And I not seen a big issue here. I just see like jealousy. And the lady feel like she being hard done by with the whole situation. And the main fact say you are gonna marry them is like it a give her all type of feelings. And as what you say, she did there one seminar on church thing. What you say? She did there somewhere at one church where the part and she said she forget about it. She don't forget about it. She maybe tell them that, but deep down, she miss him. You understand? So if that the man if drop in our wall now, she maybe be one of the first somebody in call. Because she always have him back before you. You get what I say? So, I don't know.
So let me ask you one question now. And to be honest, I'm going to ask you a question as a man. Mm-hmm. It's like when my daughter's father did I run a problem with my daughter 1 year old. Mm-hmm. And in there with she an old lady. When me did figure go find all of them women they them have where me know them and go be the same way with them and disgrace myself as a woman and me feel just take for myself like what me do with my 1 year old baby and go find a life. Alright.
I can answer the question there. Everybody deal Everybody deal with them situation different. You now go do that, but she maybe do that. You understand? Some people get more emotional than some. Some people get more physical and everybody deal with them situation different. Some people, you diss them, then just sit down and play it off and say, come on, I'll take you. Some people, them come cuss you, them come up in your face. Some people, them come to you straightforward, whether do or die or whatever. You get what I say? I saw.
But I'm not saying that I'm gonna, because I already have made my decision. Okay? But I'm just saying, what I'm saying here right now is, I did not come between him and her.
Right.
It's some whoever whatever been happened between him and her, it's been before I came into the picture. The problem that she have with me is because of him asking me to marry him. That's the only problem. She said if anybody forget the ring, I she forget it.
Yeah, because she invest in it.
So that's the only reason why she come after me. But listen, when me pick up my pity father with 2 drawers and whatever, me invest way more in this guy because me raise his child. Me raise my daughter father's child from she was 2 years old till she was 12 years old. And my family them know. When we meet the boy could smile, him have one hole in 9 teeth, one black hole in 9 teeth, and me send him a dentist. So me, as a matter of fact, I'm not gonna speak about that. I am not that kind of person who go out there because somebody thing and whatever. I'm gonna go behind them. If them want left me, them left me.
True.
If them want to leave, them leave. That is me. You understand? I don't understand why some people hard if somebody left. It hurt. Yes, I think I never feel hurt when time my daughter father do all the way him do. After all the years when me give him 10 years.
And what she need to learn from this too. You can't force a man for one you. So if the man I go left you for other woman, that simply means you don't want you. So she herself need to get out too. You understand? So me see this man is a professional. If everything work out as how she say, this man is a professional gallus. Because she said when you not on the phone with other woman and you always a call upon video because you want to see him. And she said,
Wait!
She said anytime you call upon video, you not listen to it. She said you call upon video. So you call him upon video for sure?
So let me ask you, he call me on video all the time?
No, she said when you call upon video.
Call who?
That your fiancé.
So wait, how she know that when him black her?
We don't know she give a story, so we don't know.
How she knows that when he block, this woman is a pathological liar?
Oh, she get a number?
I have no idea that would have want
she said she said she see him on the phone, on the bed. And him say him attack and he must say whatever. And she screenshot, she memorize the number in her head and that's how she get a number. So, I don't know.
This woman is something else.
I must find him phone, she get a number. So more frankly, quite frankly, that him and her in the set space. Because she can't just magically think of 13 number, 10 number, whatever, and just come up with your number. You get the message?
Because it could be the friend that I believe is that lady that gave her the number. The lady that know me, that I used to be talking to that lady all the time. The lady used to be talking to me all the time. But the lady said what she knew was that they weren't together anymore.
Yeah, but Lana, when I try to say, I don't want you to watch serious for this money. She can't be in the same space.
You're not listening to me. I'm not
No, you're saying that she get the number from... No, what on? You're saying that maybe she get the number from the lady, but I'm saying try to think too. Yeah. Maybe the man did in her presence and left him phone careless.
Yes.
And she does...
So what's up?
You get what I'm saying? Because woman put on that.
Well, my thing is, she believe deal with the man and leave me.
That is right. Right, but true you...
I try to say she should not have been trying to get in touch with me for any reason. I already spoke to her for hours on the phone already. She need to leave me alone.
All right, your mother tell you as my friend, because I don't have nothing for you. Your little thing where you did that, do just kind of... I not tell you break it off, but give it a little space, a time period, and see your options and see what is what. Because I don't want you going on nothing and then now, long term, a waste of time.
Miss, I am not hurting for one damn thing. My problem is because she called my name. Miss, don't it today, I'm talking to one of our friends. All she had to do, deal with the man. Me, deal with the man. When your problem come, you deal with the person. Where I wasn't watching no baptism. I'm always on that channel, on their church channel. People you don't know anything, and that's what she don't go to his church. They don't go to the same church.
Right, exactly.
So it's like sometimes when the church is keeping from ever since for years ago, because I know the pastor and whatever, I would watch their service and stuff like that. And that's how I saw when they called the name. I did not know her. Is when the pastor called the name, and I said, "Oh, that's her receiving hands of fellowship or whatever." You understand what I'm saying? So that's the only reason. I wasn't like looking out for this lady. I didn't even know that she got baptized recently. Is when I heard them speaking. But I always go on the page, you know, and watch the church
All right.
the church services or whatever.
Here we are going to do now. I'm going to take you off live. I'm going to done the show. I'm going to call you.
I'm over here giving trouble. I'm sorry.
Yeah. We don't have to remember now, no. Lana a part of our family, you know. She depends on our show every night. She's a part of the MIXUP boss crew.
Yes, we love Lorna. We love Lorna.
But we love Lorna,
Tonight we ride. Tonight we have to keep it real and ride Lorna. I'm so sorry.
Of course, you have to keep it real. We're not going to pretend nothing. Lorna know the right thing too. She know that.
And she does.
Of course she know. She know.
I feel the irritation is just the back and forth between the ladies. But in my opinion, to be honest with you, there's too much fixing up of the same person and too much giving to the man.
Sure, baggage.
Too much baggage.
And what you have now, it have two women like want to go against each other. When
That's what it feels like.
Yeah, when the man does sit back and relax and I say watch them. My real general.
And to be honest with you, just from experience, let me just tell Lorna this. She's reading the chat and in her feelings. We've all been there, so no need to get into your feelings. And to be honest with you, she know in her heart there's too much baggage. She know it is. But I think it's just the irritation between the two parties.
Right.
Like she's saying the lady got the number from some other lady. Like, come on, Lorna, let me break it down for you for real. No, he got that number from that man.
He get the number from the man phone, man. Which lady? Of course.
So stop it. Stop it, Lorna. It's okay. We all been there. We all been there.
All right, let me tell you what I get from Lana. Lana no one think. Lana believe like most of the stuff that the guy tell her, so she can't.
Yes.
She more with her, you know. She not think out, but maybe Lana love him.
She's saying it to the lady. She's even saying to the lady, no, you know, the man said this is what. This woman, she out there, she needs to cut it off. She there, come on now, we're all women. Let's respect each other, and men, we know how men stay. See, like how the man play that woman, he's gonna play her. Why is he not played it? Get a clean slate. You get what I'm saying?
Suppose he's willing for change. Suppose he's willing for change.
Well, okay, hear my point on this. She needs to step aside. Yeah, he probably want to change, but she needs to step aside and let him clear the air with that relationship with that woman. Because that's unfinished business, or he's playing both of them. You know what? Let's respect each other. Woman, wake up. Same thing the man do the other woman as same we do you. You understand? I'm not saying if he means this woman well that he wants, so who knows, probably he won't go abroad. And as the lady say, he's with other women. Come on, lady, whoever you are, stop it. Stop it. Let it settle. Get clarity. Because a woman is hurting. You would want that to happen to you? Would you want that to happen to you?
So we suggest now, if the lady's story is factual and true, based on what she has said, you believe her?
Yes, or whether it's factual or true, this woman is 13 and it's not finished with this man.
Man, right.
That's what I'm saying. He's playing both of them. Right. That's my point. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
He's playing both of them. Why would you want to get yourself involved in this? Have respect for yourself, respect that other woman. What goes around comes around. He's going to do the same thing to you. And as the lady is saying that, you know, he's with messaging and with other women in the States, abroad. Come on. You know, let him have a clean slate before you jump any further. Stop hurting this woman. Anybody else would have hurt. I would have hurt. You would have hurt.
But Anna, we have to look on the lady. They done lay the plan for marry the man and a plan our wedding and thing.
Cut it off. Well, cut it off. She's gonna be in misery, and you're gonna hear about it. Trust me, you're gonna hear about it. Why are you gonna marry someone when there's a mess? Do you get what I'm saying to you? If there's a mess that's going on,
okay,
let that clear. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Clear and clean. Let that slate be clean.
Oh, there's a don't get another module. Not get another module there. Take yourself from the module.
No. Listen, I'm on this woman's side with Cardia. I don't care what it is. I'm on her side. We need to respect each other as women, and this is if we don't. What goes around comes around. If it was if the shoe was on the other foot, she would have been hurt. You get what I'm saying? If you don't want that woman, the one that was call you, let it settle. Let him do away with it 100%. It is not fair what is happening. She needs to stop it. She needs to put the wedding off and let's clear the air. Clear the air. Oh. It's plain as simple as that.
All right, then. Anything else I know? Because you don't know, say, your advice, them never wrong. I don't know if she'll listen to me. I go call her. Ask her if she want company here, come clear some things, or she want make it stay there. So call. I'm a friend, I know.
Here or not, there's an entanglement going on. That's my point.
Yeah, it's messy, you know, clear. Yeah, me get what you say. And you're right for true. Yeah, you're right.
Into this mess.
Yeah, you're right for true. Looking at it.
That's the way how she started, this marriage with this man at the same way to the end. Trust me 100%. The same how she started it out with him, that's exactly how it's gonna end.
Oh. Get what you said, Anna. I look on it on your point of view. I never did look on it the way they as what you say.
Yeah, I'm not feeling interest in another woman we want married for whatever reason. But I'm people I want because it's my type other woman.
Well on. So you try, Donna. So you try saying you can naturally love a lady after you want to go?
I'm not saying I can't naturally, but what? Okay, so he's with this woman, right? Say, okay, yeah.
No, which way she tell me, say she said him and the man, hold on. She said him and the man did break up, and that's what she said. But she go off where the man said. Then the lady said, she tell him, he give him an ultimatum and say, choose between she and she. And he say him have to choose she. Because I want to go friend. That's what the lady said.
That's my point. So why does he have to be choosing? That's my point. So that means it is not finished. What I'm saying to you, is that this woman here is getting married, need to clear the air. She should not go in that mess. It is straight, plain. I don't know who want to be on the platform and agree with me or not. She needs to clear the air. I say what goes around comes around. The people are gonna start a marriage with this entanglement. Come on. Let's respect each other's women. We're adults here. Finish it. And then if the lady saying he's there talking to other women, do you get what I'm trying to say to you?
Yeah, look, she catch up on him. She catch up on him with the other woman.
Yeah, he has a motive. And whether or not he love this woman, when my marriage and want to be with her, what I'm saying, she needs to step aside and let. This woman is hurting. I don't blame this woman. I would be hurting. You invest so much in this man and you don't do this. And this is what I'm saying, we need to close that chapter before we go on to our next one. We're not in our 20s and our 30s. We're big ass grown man and woman. This needs to stop. And then we sit up on your platform and like, we're older and down. Come on, people. We see all the mess and hear all the mess is going on. Why do you think says she's exempt and he's exempt from this craziness? What's going on? You see fire and you're jumping at it. You see fire and you're jumping at it. Do you get what I'm saying? What I'm saying is that let him close the chapter. Let it stop it. Make him find the words what I want to say. What she's doing is crazy. It's just not crazy. And she's gonna start it. She's probably gonna call it short. She's probably not gonna call it because she's probably gonna be too shame in the end.
There you have it, guys. So one side, two side to a story. Big up my friend Lana. Don't know I'm a G. Alright, any idea? She have to do what she feel best to do. We only can comment or whatever. Alright? So respect go where respect goes. So that's how you go. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Hope you enjoy the rebroadcast, yeah? That's how we have to do it sometimes because we're busy. So we don't have the time for edit no video. But we're going to have something for watch because everybody tune in at night time. So if you did watch this fan the live, like, share it. Tell me what you think. And the stories continue. I'm gone.